In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a transition in CapCut. There's two ways to do it, very easy to do. So go ahead and go to CapCut. I'm just going to make a new project here for the example, and I'm going to choose, let's see here, I'm going to choose these two videos, okay? So I'm going to add two, and here you see the two videos. Here is the separation between them, the end of the first one and beginning of the second one. What you can do to add a transition between two videos is actually just click that white square right here. Go ahead and click that, and then you're going to automatically have all of these transitions over to you. Now, there's a difference here is that some of these have the blue diamond, so you need to be on the Pro version, but there are plenty of free ones that you can use. So what we can do is I'll just pick this one, whoosh, and try it now. And then you hit the check mark, and your transition is in there. So if I were to play the video, you see that transition. It's really easy to do. Another thing you can do is actually choose a video. So you can just choose it and put a transition anywhere that you want. So go ahead and choose a video and go hit split. So then you have that split in between your clip. And what you can do is just, once again, click that white square. Go ahead and pick a different transition if you want it to. Check mark. And then what we can do is go ahead and play. And that's it. It's really easy to do and manipulate your transitions in between clips or just in a single clip by itself. And that's it. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.